Hello, hello. For this week's Feedback Friday, I'm going to be taking a look at Michael's What Got Done. So I'm already pretty familiar with this product. I haven't used it, but I know that it's based off of weekly snippets at Google. And I've seen Michael's updates as well as other indie makers like Corey Zhu. But I'm going to go through the marketing page and then try signing up and using the product and hopefully come away with or be able to provide some feedback that Michael and other people who are watching might find useful. So what did you get done this week? What got done is a simple, easy way to share progress with your teammates. And maybe clarify what you accomplished. Okay, start now, view recent entries. All right, before I even go through the page, let's just view the recent entries, okay? Check out what other users got done this week. Okay, so people are putting up their updates. If I click more, okay, every week shows the view count. Cool, let's give it a thumbs up. Oh, logging in. Okay, I'm not ready to log in. Okay, I pressed back. Oh, I should use the mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. So how do I get this modal to go away? I'm not ready to. Okay. Let's refresh the page. Let's start over again. So it seems like the login modal is persistent across pages. Yeah, that's really interesting. So yeah, I guess that's one point of feedback where it'll be nice to be able to dismiss it if I'm not ready. It's going through. I like the GIFs of someone typing, although it does feel like a lot of text. But Michael did share with me that like he knows that a lot of work needs to be done on this. I'm pretty sure I'm going to see a lot of things that he's already aware of. Share updates your way. Okay. I'm just kind of like skimming through this, not really reading. There are like little things here and there that are catching my attention. I don't want to spend too much time going over like marketing and copy like I did last week with Pat's Pigeon extension, but just the vertical alignment between the GIF and the text would be nice. And then, I mean, little stuff like this doesn't really matter, but it just helps. Like share updates your way. It's using like capitalized letters in the beginning. This one, it doesn't, so I just noticed little things like that. And I think having it be consistent would be nice for like design finesse. And then at the end here, contact us. The width of this div seems to be pretty big. I like to keep my divs at least like 700 pixels or narrower so that it's just easier for your eyes to scan. Like the ones on the left here are fine. All right, so let's try signing up. Let's start now. Logging in. Okay, just to see if this happens again. Okay, so if I'm clicking outside, but nothing's happening. I'm just trying to see if I can dismiss the modal. And if I press back, oh, the back button's broken. Okay, looks like doesn't let you go back. Just have to like manually choose to go back. Okay, interesting. All right, let's create an account. DK the human, and then just in case there's a welcome email, there's an email address that I recently created for Craigslist stuff because I was selling my car. So let's do that because I don't want to show you guys all of my, emails. All right. Password. For now, I'm going to change this after. It is going to be what got done. Create account. And sorry if it's loud. I'm at my gym, which is why it would work. Okay, what got done this week? Enter your update. Okay, what got done this week? I think right off the bat, having this blank slate is a little bit intimidating. Either having like being able to create almost like a to-do list of like there's one, like what did you get done, and you just list one item and you can add more. That might be just easier to get started with because here it's like trying to write a new essay and then you just have a blank Google Doc. And maybe having examples here, kind of like how when you submit a review on Yelp, it tells you like what a good review looks like. I think that could be helpful for getting people started. But let's see. What got done this week? Oh, preview. Okay, that's nice. Oh, because I can use Markdown. Cool. Oh, okay, this takes me to the one. All right. Let's say I wrote ramen. That's what I renamed the maker log, by the way. Worked. a bunch. I mean, these aren't really good snippets or updates, but I'm just trying to get some text in here on a bunch on hide feed. Okay, let's start there. So save draft, saving, cool, changes saved. And I like that, I noticed that I was doing that automatically, that's really neat. Okay, so here I see 2 buttons. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to click publish here, but I'm like I can see how people might be like, oh, I'm ready to post an update, and then they click this, and then what's supposed to happen? Wait, did it post? Okay, some sort of feedback. This animation, yeah, I don't know what's happening here, so let's just go back to the publish. I don't know if I just posted my update like 5 times or something. So I click publish, and then this is my update for the week. Cool. Yeah, going back to my earlier commentary, I think narrowing this div would be helpful because this feels like pretty wide. There's a lot for your like eye to scan through. All right. So I can react to my own thing. Oh, there are sad faces too. Nice. It's like a dislike button. So I'm gonna give myself a party. All right. And last modified. Okay. So this is the week ending ending today. Okay. And I don't have any other show empty entries. I'm guessing if I miss a week, then it would let me scroll through it. Okay, so there's not much I can do from here except edit, and then I'll refill it. Cool. Did more stuff, and then yeah, they're adding new routes, I guess. This is a climbing gym, so that's what the drill sound is. Publish. Cool. Can I unreact? Awesome. I think one thing that would be nice is having share features, because I've seen the way I found out about what got done is by people sharing their updates, and so making it easier for them to do that and like be proud of their work would be pretty cool. Okay, so from here, I guess I'm done. All right, so if I come back to the home page, I guess there feels like there's something missing. Maybe like, so I come here with a motivation to post my updates, or not post my updates. I guess there's like 2 use cases. One is like a personal log for keeping track of your work, but another one is to like share with other people what got done. I guess for that, actually, images could be really nice, where if I completed a particular feature for hide feed and I want to put like a GIF, or an image, then it'll be cool to embed here. I don't think that's supported. I don't see like an add image option. It could be just like a feature request. Okay, so go back to publish, and then let's just click around the site and see what we find. So account, profile. Okay, not created a public bio. How do I create a public bio? Edit. So it's unclear whether this edit button is corresponding to the recent entries thing or the about. So let's try. Oh, okay. Hi. I'm DK. Public email address. Okay. All right. And recent entries. More. Okay. So let's look at other people's entries like we did before. Oh, my stuff. Oh, it's posted up here. Cool. Oh, and you can create links. Very cool. Yeah, actually, this. So I'm noticing that like people are using kind of like a very loose template, where it's like project and then a list of things, and then here, Jimmy does something different, where it's like he writes the things that he wants to do and then puts like a report of whether it got done. So when I was at Google, I would actually structure my snippets where it would be like things I wanted to get done this week, and then I'll have the entire list, like things that actually got done. Actually, sorry, the previous week, I would put at the end of my snippet like things I want to do next week, and then I would have a list of items. And then at the end of the week, I would put what actually got done, what I wanted to get done but didn't get done, and what got done even though I wasn't planning to do it. And that kind of like helped me see how accurate I was in like predicting and planning my work. So some sort of template thing could also be cool here, where again, like more structure might be helpful for people getting started. So like, what do you plan to get done this week? What do you want to get done next week? This is a pretty natural progression if you wanted to add on to it. And also maybe like having projects. Again, these are just like a bunch of feature requests. I do like the simplicity of this. That is really nice. All right, contribute. Okay, oh, the Git repo. Okay, I guess I've gone through. Let's just check out these buttons too. I'm okay. And then privacy policy. All right, in short, some information. Okay, I'm not here to analyze the privacy policy. Wow, I'm guessing this is one of the standard ones. All right, I'm done. When I come back to what got done, because I'm already signed in and I've posted updates, it will be nice to see like a personalized view, like what you got. Maybe like when I come here, it automatically shows my like current form for the week, so that I can just start adding to it. So like as I get work done, I can just type in, what got done. My personal form comes up. I type stuff in, update, and like save for the week. Because right now, because I'm thinking, once I start using this site, like why would I want to come back to what got done? It's to post an update, and having to click post update is just like, it's not that big of a step, but it is an extra step. But yeah, I think the first video, Feedback Friday. Michael, I hope you found my ramblings and stream of consciousness stuff useful, and good luck.